In the next section of the video here, we're going to look at tables. More specifically, we're going to look at how we put a table into our document, how we modify that table, make it look a little bit more visually appealing, and just how we make some small minor modifications to tables within Microsoft Word. If we look at our finished document here, you're going to notice on page 1, in the middle of our text, there's a table that's going to inform the reader of some important upcoming dates. So we're going to create something that looks like this. Now, how we're going to do that is as follows. Okay, under the we would like to inform you of upcoming dates, I'd like you to put your mouse cursor, and we want to make sure, I'm going to zoom in a little bit here, that we have enough space in between our paragraphs. So I'm going to hit the enter key once, so I got a blank line on the top, blank line on the bottom. Now, obviously, we are inserting something, so I need to go up to the Insert tab. And under the Insert tab, under the Tables group, you're going to see Add a Table. Now, one of the ways that we can enter a table into our document is just click this little drop down, okay, and you can see a live preview of what your table is going to look like. Now, remember, rows go across, columns go down. For the time being, we are going to enter a 1-row or 3-column table. So I'm just going to highlight this first little 3 cells there and go ahead and click OK. You'll notice that your mouse cursor should be inserted inside the table. So we're just going to go ahead and type in our row headings here. The first thing I'm going to type in is the word date. Now, to move to the next cell, I don't actually have to click on my keyboard next to the Q key. I can hit the tab button, and that's going to move me until the next cell. I'm going to type the word event, hit tab, and then I'm also going to type in the word notes. Now, as you saw in our old document, right, there's probably an extra 4 to 5 rows that we need to insert in here. I only put in 1 row, okay? Now, the reason I did that is to show you how we can add new rows into our document. So I've reached the 3rd cell in the end of the row. So in order to enter a new row, I'm just going to hit the tab key one more time, and we're going to see a new row appear. So we're going to type in some dates here. We'll do the first one together. We'll type in the words July 12th-16th. There's no spacing in between that. And July 19th through 23rd. For event, we're going to type in orientation and registration. Hit tab to move over. And finally, we're going to type in C, brief schedule on next page. Okay, and we'll hit the tab key to enter in a new row. Okay, so here's the rest of the text. Go ahead and pause the video and enter in these other 2 rows here. Just notice that there is a dash between move-in. Also notice that housing services is capitalized. Please make sure that your spelling matches exactly what you see in this table, otherwise Sam will mark it wrong. Okay, so pause the video and enter in those other 2 rows.